In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a clean, reusable email template that keeps your branding consistent and saves you time. Let's jump right in. From your HubSpot dashboard, look to the left pane and head to Marketing, then select Email. This is your main hub for everything related to marketing emails, and it's where we'll start building the foundation for your template. Next, click Create Email. This opens the starting point for your template build. Think of this as choosing the blueprint for your design. HubSpot makes this simple and flexible, so you can tailor the process to match your content and design preferences. Now you'll choose how you want to start creating the email template. You have two paths. You can pick from the available templates, which are great if you want a professionally structured layout right away. These are especially helpful for newsletters, announcements, or promotions because the sections are already designed to guide readers through your message. Or you can start from scratch if you prefer full control over every block, spacing choice, and design element. Starting from scratch can be perfect when you have a very specific layout in mind or you want to build a branded template from the ground up. Once you've selected your method, you'll be taken into the email editor. This is where you customize, personalize, and design your template. You can adjust your logo placement, set your header and footer, and refine fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Add text blocks for your main message, drop in images or banners to draw attention, and include clear call to action buttons so readers know exactly what to do next. If personalization is important to your strategy, the editor supports it, allowing you to tailor content to your audience so your emails feel relevant and human. As you design, keep readability in mind. Use short paragraphs, clear headings, and enough white space to make scanning easy. Also consider mobile responsiveness. Clean layouts, legible font sizes, and touch-friendly buttons help your template look great on any device. And there you go. That's the full flow. Go to Marketing on the left pane, select Email, click Create Email, choose a starting point from templates or build from scratch, and then customize, personalize, and design in the editor. With this approach, you'll have a reusable, on-brand email template ready for your campaigns, making future emails faster and more consistent while still looking polished and professional.